It's an eventful Friday, isn't it, Tim? Yeah. I'm putting siphons in. We get it all, the 6-inch put in, filled up. As soon as we're about to put the cap on, the intake section of hose pipe blows apart. So now, hopefully, Tim's boots are tall enough where he can go out there and get it. Wait till I come back up here, Tim. And putting the 6-inch in to siphon it down, and then put a 3-inch in to maintain the flow. Go and put the 3-inch in. Come down here and notice that when my uncle dumped it out of the dump truck, he broke the cap on the end, so I don't have a cap to put on it now. So I'm gonna try to wad up some paper towels and shove it there and hold it, instead of killing a half an hour or an hour trying to find some place that's got one way out here in the boondocks. So now I've got to drain all the water out that we just put in here. That was none too tight. That's empty now. And might as well put that back in while I'm standing here. Come on, get back in there. At first I thought that this had blew out, but the intake blew apart. Never a dull moment around here. Hopefully I can hold that. All right. All right. See what you can do. Lay the board down all the way in the water beside the pipe, and hopefully it'll, I know that shit's wet. Here, let me see, it's gonna float. If I can hold it, maybe it'll spread your weight out. Yeah, use that as a kickstand. At least we can see it.
So can you put that in on that end of the board?
Well, it shouldn't float up with you sitting on it.
No, they don't keep it balanced.
Okay.
I need like another foot. Can you shove me out?
You got yourself?
Yeah.
No, the problem is you're not stopping. Pull, Tim. Oh shit. Good boy. Okay, where's the rubber coupler at? Is there a feel real quick before you pull out? Is there a rubber coupler on the end of that other one? If not, we got a major problem.
Oh, that next one?
Yeah, the stick that's going in the water. Just run the stick down and see if you can feel it. It ain't that far out.
Yeah.
There is?
Yeah.
Okay.
It hit a knob, so.
I know it's full of water, it's heavy. Come on, baby. Whoa, 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 Chris is about to go in with you.
Let it go, I got it.
Jesus. I love my job. Okay, let's regroup for a second. I think it was hung on the end of the pipe. Okay, you can get out.
I don't know if we're getting that board back.
Well, screw it. If it's there, it's there. It'll wash out one day. All right, let's pull all this apart and get this put back together. All right. Here we're around 3 on the 6-inch siphon. As soon as oh shit, I don't even remember what I filmed. It blew apart. We had to retrieve it. And then we got it put back together. I was standing down here. And then the cap blew off. Lost one cap out here in this. And now... Good. All right. Please work. My patience are running out. Oh, about lost it. Okay, that's gonna work. Maybe the cap will blow up. All right, got muddy water, we're good. All right, now I got the damn jerry rig this. I'm gonna try to, yeah, see if you can feed it back that way. I'm gonna try to make a plug out of some towels. Talk about half-assed. What happened, Timmy? Maybe this will work. It's not working. There's never. I should just go find a damn cap. I need a bigger ball. This might work. We'll see. You might hear a cuss word. It'll work. Maybe. Oh shit. You better hurry up and get that damn cab on. Fucking phone. Are you done yet? I need you to go do something. I'm helpless. Hurry it up, Timmy! God dang it! Son of a bitch! I can't hold it. God. I can't hold it. Ugh. Let me get some more paper towels. I'll try round 2 with some more paper towels. All right, let's try this again here. More paper towels. This fails, I guess I'm just gonna have to go get a damn plug. Trying not to waste another hour. All right. Hold with all my might. I'm holding. Please hurry up and fill up. You filling it up? God damn, he's cut it off. Come on, Timmy. Okay, I'll let you slide on that one. It ain't full yet. I don't think so. Maybe it is. Ain't no damn way it's full that quick. Ain't no way. It ain't full, Tim. I'm gonna tell you. Hey, it ain't full. Ain't no damn way. I told you it ain't full. Hey, it ain't full. It won't full. Well, it had air in it or something. It ain't full. Oh my God. It's got air in it or something. Damn it, Tim. There's air in the pipe somehow. It's got an air void and he thinks it's full. There's no way it's filled up that quick. It's not full. There's still air in it. All right, put the cap on. I have to go up there and do it. Gotta do every damn thing myself. Hurry it up, Tim. Maybe. Maybe. Nope. I think we're good. Holy shit. Whoa. We're good. Love a little redneck. Oh, baby about fell down into the water. Love a little redneck ingenuity. Okay, I'm done for today. It's Friday. My patients are out. Set everything on fire. I'm done. Well, we got our siphons in, and here's our wonderful little access road to the head section. You can see where I've dug it out before and piled it up. We got this little path cut into the side of this hill, and it goes along the sewer line. We got to do is a bunch of tree branch trimming. We got to take out like 1,500 yards and haul it off, so it's gonna be several trips in and out of here with dump trucks. So we're gonna have to limb this up pretty good, be able to get back here, and it's gonna have to dry off pretty good. It's a little tight right through here. Yeah, we gotta do a lot of tree trimming, but I've dug this one out, God, probably 8 times. First time we took out a world of sediment. It was like here all the way across, and they've been pretty good about managing it till recently. We used to dig it out every 6 months. Oh, it's a little slickery right here, very, but it's pure just river sand. It's gonna be fun with trucks. But as you can tell, it's just, we just piled it up. Now, I haven't been here in probably 2 years. They slacked off on the maintenance, so now it's all washed out into the pond. They built a big super highway upstream, and there's an ungodly amount of creek erosion and water runoff into here that used to never come in here, because right here you can see that boulder sticking out right there? Maybe. I dug a 4-bay right here, and we would dig this out every year or every 6 months, and it would equal that much sand. That's how much sand washes down here in 6 months. Well, they haven't done it in about 2 years, and now it's washed all the way out here into the pond, which is beautiful sand. They use it for their walking trails, and they usually go through about that much every 6 months, but for some reason they haven't messed with it. So got our siphons in, drain this down, and we'll probably just bring the 160 up here, get this material laid back. It's great sand because it'll be liquidy wet, and you can dump it out and then you can drive on it in like 30 minutes. It's great stuff to dredge. So yep, here's our next project. Lovely.